task force basura here in Anda. Yeah. There's yes. The implementers are coming from the barangays. There are, what do you call that? Mental blackmail ako.
Mental blackmail.
What's the more function? No, to the municipality, and there's a sharing also to that one. But sad to say, that was implemented 3-4 years ago when we are holding the LGU that time. When Mayor Anda is the mayor. And suddenly, there's a change to the implementation of the Anda again. Then, good thing that it has been brought, that issue today, that we will look upon it, to reactivate again our task force. That is the problem of constant change of administration. It's because in every administration there's different policies. So there's different priorities. Before it was implemented, and even some municipal government employees were penalized because of that ordinance. And after Mayor Inday did not won in 2019 election, after that, suddenly the implementation stopped.
One last question. So, all this brouhaha about this 30, is it finally settled?
Yeah.
All legal?
Yes.
Nobody
Uh,
questioning anymore? Nobody can file a case against you, or etc., etc.? If you follow Facebook, I mean, everybody is questioning each other with laws.
Yeah.
The reason I ask is that it sends a bad image about Anda. I have guys in Cebu who, with the usual duck, the 30 pesos means 250 pesos to enter.
Excuse me. Okay. So when it comes to legality, as I have said, we have stood our ground that our implementation of the ordinance is legal. Even the provincial legal office said that our ordinance is legal. But there's a provision of the law that you can question any ordinances 30 days after it has been passed. After the approval of the ordinance, you can question it within 30 days to the Department of Justice. And lapse of period 30 to 60 days, and nobody is complaining about that ordinance. It is already deemed approved. But anyway, nobody can question anyone to question that ordinance on the proper court. The proper court can determine as to the legality of the said ordinance. But as to our implementation of this ordinance, we will stand to that our ordinance is legal. Even the provincial legal office attested to that ordinance is legal. Yeah. Sir John, Paris,
Ako lang yung document mo legal ba?
pag nagkuhan ka, Sir John, nag-video ka? Yes pa.
Kaya microphone ba?
Yes, that is why I am saying that there is a presumption that when you are already inside Anda, you have been collected already with 30 pesos.
Okay, so will the rest of the barangay honor that? Or your other collectors? They have to honor it because otherwise, as I said, you cannot expect guys to be swimming from or
That is why we have